All right guys, back in the shop today, back working on this regular cab. I'm making an attempt today to try to get all of the interior pieces out of this truck and possibly go ahead and throw the rear axle back under it. That way we can get the truck pulled out on the trailer and ready to head out to get the chassis work done. So we'll get into it, try to get all this stuff knocked out and take you guys along for the ride. So as you can see, there is no more regular cab in the shop behind me. So I was able to get the axle put back under it and finish stripping out all the rest of the interior finally. So we threw the doors back on it just to try to keep rain from getting in it or whatever might happen. And pushed it outside and have everything ready to load up. As you can see, I got the axle somewhat thrown back in it. I got the bolt thrown through the front of the leaf spring, and I don't have any shackles for the back, so I just kind of got it ratchet strapped up in place. But it's all right. I'll be driving slow with it on the trailer. I don't want to go that far, so about, I don't know, 10 15 miles, so I'm not too concerned with it going anywhere. Also got everything bolted up like it should be down here, so we're good to go there. I was able to finish getting the rest of the interior out too. As you can see, all the seatbelt stuff, the back of the cab, whatever you would call that liner back there. The headliner's out. The only thing I left in as far as wiring is the wiring up here for the cab lights. I'm kind of considering still keeping those So I'll just make my own harness to run into where the factory harness is, right over there. Hopefully over the next week or so, Trey up at Dunright Fab will be able to work out some time to get me squeezed in, and my next set of days off, I'll get that truck loaded up and we'll head over there for him to take a look at and possibly go ahead and start working on the roll cage and back half and all the other fun stuff. One thing I forgot to mention here is, as you can see, got a bunch of goodies showed up. This is a bunch of stuff for the mega cab. Most of you probably already know what it is, but I'm gonna go over some videos on getting everything swapped over on this, and that'll be in a video to come in the near future. As you can see here, we have a ton of factory parts left over. If any of you guys need anything, I would kind of like to sell it all to one person. Just load it all on a pallet, stack it up, get it strapped down nice, and just ship it out to wherever it needs to go or be picked up. Literally everything is there and intact 100% out of a regular cab 06, 07 Laramie truck. The only thing I do not have is the wire going to the accelerator pedal and the seats. Everything else is here and intact. Nothing broke, no wires were cut or anything. So if you guys need anything, be sure to let me know. But I think that's it, guys. I had a bunch of people ask me to do a kind of how-to video on just several things I've done. So I figured I'd give it a shot with pulling the dash out. That seems to be something that a lot of people have questions about. And of course, the audio file got jacked up. So I'll probably include the how-to part of that in another video in the future. I've got all the stuff saved, but I'm gonna end up having to do a voiceover and redo all of that. But I'll include some of the clips of that stuff coming out. But anyways, thank you guys for all the support. Thanks for everything so far. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all.